behind the scenes for all of these videos. But today, she's in front of the camera like honey, and she don't be knowing how to act. Okay?
Oh my god.
And that's all y'all know. She don't be knowing how to act. All that lip and attitude she give me, she realizes now that this ain't no easy road.
It is hard. It is. So tell them what we're doing today.
So today, my sister has been watching all the versus battles that been happening on IG Live, and she was so inspired. She goes, Chantal, we should do a versus battle. And I'm like, girl, you don't be knowing nothing about music. You listen to the same 5 songs on repeat all day, every day.
Oh my god.
And she's like, no, a hair battle. And I'm like, ready. I'm like, oh my god, tell me more. Ready. So the challenge is both of us are going to be doing hairstyles on each other, and it has to be a hairstyle that we've never done before. So I chose, and by I mean she really wanted small knotless braids. So your girl went to YouTube University, literally watched 2 videos, and I was just like, nailed it, got it, ready to go.
Yeah, Ivy.
First of all, am I lying?
Okay guys,
If I'm lying, I'm dying.
Guys, stay tuned. It's really easy. As she said, 2 videos, and if she got it in 2 videos, you'll get it in this one. Stay tuned.
So I style me. So we will be using 2 different types of hair. So we already had this hair, which is the Braid Babe 3-in-1 pack. And this length is 54 inches, but we didn't have enough, so we went to Nicole's beauty store and got this, which is a 3-pack, but it's only 24 inches. So we're early jugglings in the dance. This is what the hair is looking like. Her head back, like you can see, this is where her hair stops. It was hella hard to do that. So we're not count the back row, you understand? That's the test run. Them they're the deficits. But here we are. This is what it's looking like. So we're gonna start things off by prepping the hair with some edge control. I like to use ASEAN hair wax. It's just readily available where I am. And I put that all throughout the hair, even on the ends, and smooth it in, and then use a comb to detangle the section just to make sure everything is smooth so that my braid can look nice and neat. Once I've done that, we're gonna split the section into 3 even parts, and then you're gonna need 3 even parts of braiding hair to do this as well. So now we have the hair in 3 even parts, and we're just gonna start braiding as normal. And we start braiding the hair, and I would say you do that about 2 or 3 times, and then it's time to start putting in the hair. So we are gonna use our pinky to anchor the hair in. So we use one end of the hair, and we use our pinky to hold it in place, and then we take the other end and put it between our thumb and index finger, and then continue braiding as normal. Now everything happens with your left hand. So once you've braided and all of the hair is back in your left hand, that's when you take the other end of that same braiding hair, put it between your index and your pinky, your index and your thumb, and continue braiding. So again, looping the hair in your pinky and then wrapping it right in between your thumb and index. Once you braid again and everything's in your left hand, you take the other end of that braiding hair and you put it in between your thumb and index and continue braiding as normal. So the magic happens in your left hand. Once you've braided and all of the hair is back in your left hand is when you add the other piece of hair. So this is a 3rd and final piece. You're gonna use your pinky to anchor it, place it in between your thumb and index, continue braiding. Once everything's back in your left hand, you're gonna take the other end of that braiding hair, put it in between your thumb and index, and then continue braiding as normal until you've reached the end. Super simple, right? So we're halfway through. This is what it's looking like. The parting is really beating me bad, but my technique, oh girl. So I found that the hardest part of doing this style is the parting. As you can see, the parts here aren't great. Parting is never something that I was good at. Because turn your head. Turn, yeah. So what I've done is part out all the hair straight back so that I can use that as each section, and then just part them out as I go along in each row, so it's easier that way. So that's what I did. I just part out all of the front of her hair, and then I've just been going and doing each row by row to try and finish. So we have 4 rows left, so I'm gonna finish up right now, hopefully in less than an hour. Alright guys, we are on the last row, the last row, the last row. Cutesy bombats. No me ear wanna wash it, Jay. So we're on the last row, and I already parted out the sections so it can move faster. So I'm just gonna show you guys my technique one last time. The girls are pro now. Gonna break it down. So we go in, bam, edge control, lay that bad boy. Then you gotta comb that sucker out. Make sure she properly detangle. I'm gonna take a little more edges for them ratas. Ratatatas. Oh, Jesus. Turn around. We separate the hair in 3. And then we take a left piece, right piece. And in the left hand is where all the magic happens. So you use it to hold the hair with your pinky. See that? Then you wrap the hair and put it between your thumb and your index. Then you braid like normal. When it gets back into the magic hand, which is your left hand, you stop. You take the hair from your pinky. Then you sweep it under your finger, your thumb and your index. Then you braid again. See, we're back to the magic hand. So we go here in the pinky, swoop between the thumb and the index, braid again, back to the magic hand. So we sweep the other hair that was in the pinky between our thumb and our index. Boom. You give me 3 pieces already? So then we do it one more time. Pinky, sweep between the index, back to the left hand. So we take that hair, wrap it under, boom, and then you continue braiding as normal. What a bit. Y'all see that? Smooth. I think I'm gonna be better, but I'm gonna be honest, she did a good job. What do you guys think? Let's be honest.
So yes guys, this is the finished look. Honestly, I struggled with parting the hair, but that's never been something that I was good at. And like you saw in the video, like elongate lean, but I think it still turned out really great. Honestly, for my first time, I'm amazed at how well I caught on to the technique, and it was just like clockwork. Give me that hair, pinky finger, clockwork, you know? A girl be what do? If me can do it.
Yeah, I was just saying,
she
if she can do it, you can do it too. So
tell me, you know.
I mean, if you try it and you learn something great, but stay tuned for the next video, okay?
Yes. So in the next part of this video, Mikal will be doing my hair. So stay tuned for what hairstyle she will be doing on me. I'm excited, but also very nervous because it's her first time,
and you'll be keeping.
Honestly, Mikal is not good at first time anything. Tell the truth. Chantal, me no know. Alright, me couldn't bother. Alright. Chantal, this don't look good enough. Alright, me couldn't bother. Literally, we go through this process because she's not, first times are not good for her, okay?
Oh my god.
You feel that's a little bit of your cute. We know what we win already. But stay tuned for her doing my hair. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Show the video a thumbs up, my girl. Okay, Sean. There we go. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. So, and turn on notifications so you can know when part 2 of this versus hair battle.
See you in the next video.
Alright guys, see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Or give it a puffum.
So you say bye. I know you do a smile.
And give it a thumbs up.
You're really annoying.
I say
Bye.
let me get mine. Bye.
I really earned that. That's your claim?
Yeah, I didn't hear this.
So we're gonna pull up magnets. They're gonna give me a best magnet thing. Yeah.
No.
I like how when me and my girl go Chantal that look good. Ready. Ready. I've been waiting for this moment. This is the completed look. Small box braids. Look at the camera, yeah. Look at Mr. Set. Girl.
Alright, so my thoughts on the process. I thought.
I think.
Stay tuned for my challenge.
We already know I won. Girl, look at your hair. You look like you went to an hairdresser.
True.